Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So for today I'm going to be showing you how to bead with fabric glue. You're going to bead without needle and thread. So this is what I've done so far. So I'm going to show you how to achieve this. For this you're going to be needing this glue, fabricule. You're going to be needing your broken beads, and later on we'll be needing our crystal bead to further design this neck pattern. So to start things off, we'll start by, so please pardon me, I'm recording this video by myself without a stand. So we start by applying the glue on the pattern, or you just apply the glue in a shape that you want to do the beading. So that's the first one. This is the pattern I want to use. Okay, so you apply this glue generously, so that your beads will be able to stick well. You leave this middle space, go to this next one. So after applying this, you wait for your glue to get tacky, and this usually happens between 5 to 10 minutes. So we just wait. After 5 minutes, then we'll start pouring the beads. So I'm going to start pouring the beads now on it. Just pour it gently. Just pour a generous amount on both sides. Just pour a generous amount. Cover up all the spaces, all the cracks. When this glue dries, it usually dries transparent, so don't worry about the whiteness of the glue. So I've put enough. Then the next thing you're going to do now is spread this lightly, then use your palm and press the bead into the glue. Use your palm, just gently. You do this gently, don't move your hand when you're pressing it. Just press it on top and lift your hand like that. So this glue at the corner, use your hand, tap the bead into the glue, these corners. Then you usually wait for between 28 to 48 hours for it to dry fully and be very strong before you attempt to even wash the fabric, so that you don't lose your beads. Your beads don't wash off. So after doing that, to get the excess, you just lift your fabric gently. Lift it gently, tilt it to the edge. Lift it gently. If you're seeing space where beads didn't stick, you pour more beads back. 4 more beads back. Press it in. Press it in. So just like that. Pour the excess to the side. So that's the excess now. There. That's the excess. You can either use your hand to scoop it out, or you pour it back into your beads container, or your beads nylon, or whatever is holding your beads. So for me, I'm going to scoop mine out and pour it back. Scoop mine out, pour it back. So that's it for now. When I'm done, I'll finish this off the camera, and then we'll go to the next stage.